Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day here in Twin Falls at Twin Falls Subaru. Wanted to let everybody know about something that we just rolled out for all of our new Subaru inventory. Is the 2-year 24,000 mile maintenance that Subaru offers. We are including that with every new Subaru that is purchased with cash, finance, or leased from our team. What that means is you can take any new Subaru that you purchase with us to any Subaru retailer across the nation, have your first 4 oil changes, tire rotations, all of that stuff already taken care of, so you don't have to worry about coming out of pocket any additional money for that first 2 years. If you would like to upgrade to the 3-year prepaid maintenance that includes the 30K service, which is the first major service, then we can give you an affordable option for that as well. Again, that's the 2-year 24,000 mile prepaid Subaru Backed maintenance available with every single new Subaru that is driven home from Twin Falls Subaru. That's a great way to just make your life a little bit easier and make the ownership experience as stress-free as possible. Let the truck go by. We do have a great selection of Subarus, from Imprezas all the way up to some touring Ascents. So we have a great range of price points, features, options, creature comforts, all of that available for our guests. And in the event we don't have one immediately on the lot for you, then we do have a lot of Subarus coming in. We can do a custom order for you and make sure that we can build that vehicle out to your specifications with the color options that you would like. In the event the color options or interior type that you want are not fully available, well, great news. We've partnered with one of our local vendors, and he can add Catskins leather with custom stitching, piping, the highlighting, extra little details put on the back. We can get all that stuff taken care of for you for any of our vehicles, but especially the new, so that way it gives you, a little bit more customization, a one-off vehicle, get the color combinations that you want, get the seat interior that you want with that exterior. We're doing that for guests that just ordered the new 2024 Crosstrek in the offshore mist. It only comes in cloth interior. She wanted leather, so we're getting her some custom leather interior put in there and just trying to make it as personalized as possible and get her the exact vehicle that she wants. You can check out the available inventory at twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. Check out all of the new Subarus, used Subarus, CPO, all the vehicles that we have. We have nearly 300 pre-owned vehicles on our site. We've got close to 100 new vehicles available on our site. And like I said, we can custom order a vehicle for you also. You can call in and get that process started at 208-734-8860, 208-734-8860, or check out twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. And see what we can do to get you into your new Subaru with the 2 years, 24,000 mile prepaid maintenance included with every new Subaru that we're offering. We have 0 vehicles listed at MSRP. Every single car on our site has some type of discount listed. Our new vehicles that are in transit, all the way down to vehicles that are on the lot, everything has some form of discount based on the current market conditions for the particular vehicles, color combinations, features, options, all of that stuff. So please feel free to browse twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com to check out the vehicles. And when you're ready, you can call 208-734-8860. It's 208-734-8860 and talk with one of our agents to go ahead and get your kind of journey continued with us. And as I mentioned, with that prepaid 2-year 24,000 mile maintenance, when you are ready to make use of that, we do have our express service lane, which is the far right door. You can just pull up there, No appointment is necessary. We do recommend them just so that way we can make sure the workflow stays right. But if you happen to notice last minute that it's time for an oil change, well, great news. You can just pull right up to the express door, and as it says on the doors, you know, approach slowly, pull forward after the door opens. They are on a proximity sensor, so as you get closer to the doors, they will automatically open. So just continue to pull up. Same goes for the two main shop doors. So if you have a recall or something larger than just an oil change, tire rotation, anything like that, you'll pull into the far left or middle door. We also can take care of tires, alignments, pretty much every service that you need done on a vehicle. We can get it done here. We work closely with some of our local vendors and body shops to get some of the more structural, aesthetic things taken care of. If you have a crunched up bumper or door or something, then we do partner with other companies to get that taken care of for you, so that we don't have all the extra chemicals and everything laying around here. Again, you can check out the new Subaru inventory that offers the 2-year 24,000 mile prepaid maintenance at twinfalls-subaru.com. We've got the new inventory link up top, twinfalls-subaru.com, and when you're ready, 208-734-8860. You can call us anytime during the day, 208-734-8860. And if you call it after we're closed, just leave us a voicemail. We will call you back. And we look forward to helping you get your brand new Subaru with the prepaid maintenance for 2 years, 24,000 miles with every new Subaru. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you soon if I can get my words out. Thank you.